We've got a 15-minute full body HIIT today. I didn't manage to film an intro in time, so here's me pointlessly waving at you. If you're looking for workout schedules, check out my website, else you can always do these workouts on its own. Please make sure you're warm up before this workout. We've got 18 exercises today, 30 to 40 seconds on and 10 to 20 seconds off. Also, please consult a health professional before starting any workout, especially if you have any underlying conditions. This workout is intense, so please follow the low impact if you need to. Let's start with in and out squat. Perform a normal squat, then as you come up, jump both legs in and then back into another squat. Make sure your glutes and core are engaged and your back stays neutral. Great work guys, 10 seconds rest here and we've got clap jacks next. Jump both legs out, then bring them back in and clap your hands. Have your core engaged and do it in good form. Don't slouch guys. For low impact, just do it without the jumps. Bring both arms up with one leg extended behind you, then kick your back leg forward while bringing your arms down. Don't lock your knees. Quick rest again and we're swapping onto the other leg. Start in the lunge position with your front knee bent at around 90 degrees. Do not let your front knee pass your toes and have your knees aligned with your feet. Pulse once or twice, then jump and switch sides. If you can't jump, then just do regular pulsing lunges. It's totally fine. Remember that the low impacts are here to help you out if you find something too difficult. Don't feel bad for doing them. It is still gonna be effective, especially if you're new to working out. Next we've got HEISMAM. You're doing great guys, not a hard workout at all, it's all good fun. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, bring one leg up close to your hips level, then back out laterally, and then do the same on the other side. This is slightly harder than high knee, but you can do it. For low impact, just exclude the hops. We've got a longer break here, so please do pause the video for a few minutes if you need to catch your breath. Next exercise is lateral lunge hop. Bring your feet to the side and sit your hips back as you lunge down. Engage your glutes as you return to the center and do a hop. For low impact, just exclude the hops. Now onto the other side. If you have weak knees and find it hard to do lateral lunges, you could always decrease the range of motion or squat instead. We have scissors next. Make sure you engage your core, legs, and don't swing your arms. Do it controlled and as fast as you can. Do not injure yourself. And for low impact, just go slow and controlled. We're halfway through the workout, guys. Great work. Next, we've got squat, crunch, jump. Squat and then jump laterally, landing into another squat, then get back up and bring one knee up and engage your core as you crunch. Then repeat on the other direction. For low impact, just do so without jumping. We have shuffle, squat, reach next. Squat to the side, then squat with one hand reaching the floor, then get back up and repeat on the other side. For low impact, just do lunge taps. The last exercise for this set is tuck jump. Hardest exercise of this workout, so just get past this one. Jump as high as you can and bring your knees close to your hips level, then land softly with slight bend on your knee and repeat. You can rest for 3 to 5 seconds in between jumps. Just be safe and take your time. Modify any exercises to fit your fitness level and do low impacts without the jumps if you need to. Great work guys, you survived the tuck jumps. Please do take a longer break if you need to. We've got high knees next. Bring your knees up to your hips level as fast as you can, and if you're tired, you could just jog in place or do low impacts instead. Next we have curtsy lunge. Bring one leg behind diagonally. If you have weak knees, you can try reverse lunges or squats. Jumping jacks is next. This is an easy one, so you can do it. For low impact, just do without the jumps.
Can't let them break it. Don't wanna see the end. Impossible to shake it. Don't know if to believe that you'll be disappearing. And I don't wanna leave. I'll tell you what I'm feeling. Hold on, I think that might have it all.
We have squat kicks next. Squat down, and as you come up, kick one leg up. Don't lock your knees, not long to go guys, you can do it. Next, we have low kicks. Make sure you're not being sloppy here because you don't want to injure your ankles. Make sure your leg muscles and core are engaged. For low impact, just do it slow and controlled.
I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
And the last exercise is lateral lunges. Lunge to the side by sitting hips back, nice and controlled, and let's smash this last exercise.
This is what happens when I'm out of my medicine. There's collateral damage. I gotta go. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry,
And that's the workout. Hope you guys had a good sweat. Remember to smash that like button for me. Leave a comment down below on how you went, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!